Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to Aisha Mosque and Islamic Center, Walsall. Using the front entrance, you will then enter the masjid. Please make sure that you're wearing a mask at all times, and if you do not have a mask, you may purchase one as you enter. Please remove your shoes and place them in either your own bag, which you have brought from home, or one which is provided by the mosque. Following this, you will then have to use the hand sanitizer provided to clean your hands. The last station before you enter the prayer hall is where you will pick up a disposable prayer paper, and then you will enter the prayer hall. Again, you will be guided to a place where you will be praying. Please place your shoe bag next to yourselves and ready yourselves for the prayer. When the prayer has been completed, the stewards will then guide you towards the exits. Please place your disposable prayer paper in the first bin, and you may also dispose of your shoes bag, if so desired, in the second bin. You may want to retain it for further prayers. Please exit in a calm and orderly manner. This is our second entrance from the rear car park, which will be available during peak times. Our stewards will be present at all entrances. Please ensure that your masks are worn. Again, if you do not have a mask, they are available for you to purchase. Here too, you will be required to put your shoes into a bag and directed towards the hand sanitizing station. Please note that none of the shoe racks will be available. Prior to entering the prayer hall, please collect your disposable prayer paper and, whilst adhering to social distancing rules, enter the prayer hall. At all times, please make sure that you follow the instructions from the stewards. Please also be aware that at this time we are unable to provide wudu facilities or ablution facilities. Please make sure that before you attend the masjid for your prayers, that you have made wudu at home. As part of your safety, could you please make sure that when you attend the masjid, you bring with you a written confirmation of your name, your date of birth, and your contact telephone number, please. This is to comply with track and trace for our masjid, and it is for your safety and for the safety of the rest of the congregation. On the behalf of Aisha Mosque and Islamic Center, Jazakallah khairan, and thank you for your cooperation. And let us continue to have a safe and positive experience.